Hello, good evening. My name is Brenda Muhammad, aka also known as Kenya Lee. Well, I am looking across this map here of the world. South Pacific Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Then, when you get down to the continents itself, I'm gonna start with my own homeland, that would be Africa, where we had as black people come from. Now, when you look at the map and you're checking out the shapes of the maps, the continents which the map is showing, their shape and sizes, filling in the puzzle. Well, I'm going to the teachings of the Honorable Elijah Muhammad that spoke of this whole continent, the whole world was called Asia. And we are the Asiatic black man and woman. So when I go to the map and I'm looking to see, as to some say, that Morocco was the empire of America before it was called America, and here's Morocco here. And they said that the maps has been changed around, that you really can't tell what formerly was. The distance of between the continents by water. Now you could see here Brazil is close to Africa by that shape. It would have been there. So look at that shape. And Africa down at the bottom. Here is where the Congo is. For the Congo and Lagos, Nigeria. So I go to Morocco, which is here, and I look at America, and I'm looking to see where would it had come from. Well, maybe along the edges here, right here. I don't want to put my hands in the way because I want you to see what I'm talking about. So if the earth was called Asia, and they said when the Son of Man comes, he's going to come from the east to the west. So I'm like taking you through a process to look at the map and see Antarctica. This is an old map, by the way, so don't know what year it was. It say 19. It says 2008. But I want to point out something. If the Son of Man is coming from the east to the west, the east would be here. Coming here. So we asked, where was Patmos? Well, this whole the devil's here, the United States of America, the Caucasian white man, where he came from, where he originally came from. Let's take a walk through the map and see where he would have came from, because he came from Europe. His original land is not America. So we're gonna look over here and we're gonna go to the island, find the island of Patmos. Well, I'm gonna put it on pause. I'll be right back with you. Okay, I found a place where they came from, and that was, they said, Kazakhstan. That's why I hear they want to claim Israel, the whites here. Some of them came here. Some of them is here. And some of them came here, became a mixed race. They all up in there, in the Congo, where the diamonds are. Liberia, where the rubber is. But this was originally Europe, originally where the white man came from. He didn't come from Angola. He wasn't there. He was exiled out of Arabia, holy city of in Mecca, to here. So they left, they got out of the caves of Europe, and they traveled around. They went to Africa, and they came here to the United States, bringing the black man and woman that was still there here. Some of them end up here. Well, I'm talking about that original man that went to Mexico. So we're going to continue this talk of where the white man originally came from. I'll put you on pause and come. Well, I'm back now, and I looked over the map, and I'm looking at different places. One thing about it, we're going to take a look at the map, and we're going to look at different places, and then we're going to go in and find these people, where they really came from, and then look at their culture, the videos, and history, and we're going to talk about it. We need a true understanding of why they say they own this, and they want to own the whole globe, the whole continent. These folks want to own, and they already own in Africa, the richest part of it. So tell me what you think about this video. This is part 1 of a series of lectures or talks about where we come from, the original nation, and why these continents is named now as they are, that was formerly called Asia. Until then, good day.